Higgsfield just dropped its latest feature, Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0, and it can make a trailer look more cinematic than most Hollywood movies. And you won't believe this was made with AI. Watch this.
Right now, move! Do you know who I am?
Remind me why we're saving him? Without him, they'll shut off door utility. We'll stop them!
3,
2, 1!
What is that?
It's time.
Who are you?
We are citizens of the United States. Don't be afraid.
What?
we even pay taxes.
Perfect world demands perfect sacrifices. And the new world will mirror me.
He's getting away! Rats! Group up!
Watch this. And yes, this short trailer you just watched is entirely AI-generated using Higgsfield. Honestly, this feels like a real leap forward for AI cinema. The jump in quality is obvious. AI videos now look far more realistic and cinematic than ever before. I have to say, it really feels like we're inching closer to a full-length movie made entirely with AI. I loved the dynamic camera angles, the smooth zoom-ins, and the way the scenes flow together. It actually feels professional, and yes, it gives me that same adrenaline rush as a real movie trailer. What really excites me is how the shots are put together. You start imagining the story, and that's exactly what a great trailer should do. Even though it's AI, it feels alive, cinematic, and full of energy. Of course, it's not perfect. The music felt a bit too loud in some parts, and a few movements were a little too fast, which might be slightly confusing for viewers. But honestly, those are minor quibbles compared to the overall cinematic experience. All in all, the shots are breathtaking. Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0 proves that AI can now create full cinematic experiences, complete with characters, different camera control, and precise timing. I'm genuinely blown away and super curious to see what comes next. Let me also know what you think about the trailer. If you enjoyed this trailer and want me to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to make one yourself, drop a comment below. And if you're ready to start experimenting with these tools right now, hit the link in the description to get started right away.